Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got the poster child for American muscle cars right here. A red 1970 Chevelle with black stripes. And this is a real car. We have the actual build sheet that verifies it's an SS car. It was born with a lot of options, including air conditioning and cowl induction hood and bucket seats and the F41 suspension. It was all born that way. There's been a lot of modifications and upgrades made to it to make it an even better car, which I'll tell you all about. You can also go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, look at all the pictures, and you'll find price tags on every one of our cars along with the monthly finance payment as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Again, now there's a 454 LS6 motor under there, overdrive transmission, four-wheel disc brakes, posi, vintage air. It's got all sorts of good stuff. It was a Southern car. The floors look like they're all super clean, original metal. I didn't see any new floor pans put in. The braces, all that's real nice. The front end's completely new and upgraded. It has tubular control arms. It has coil-over adjustable gas shocks. All the bushings, springs, steering components, all of that has been replaced. In back, it has Hotchkiss upper and lower control arms, new shocks, new springs. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, has a high torque starter. It's a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. It's been rebuilt. It'll handle 500 horsepower. It has a remote oil cooler. It has a finned aluminum pan on the transmission. The rear end is rebuilt. It has a 373 12-bolt posi with an aluminum finned cover. Those aluminum finned covers, they always help dissipate the heat. They keep the components running cooler. Really nicely installed dual exhaust systems. Got chrome tips in the back. CPP brake system. They call it their big brake. It's got big drilled and slotted discs at all four corners, stainless steel brake lines, all new emergency brake cables. It's all been redone. The fuel tank is polished stainless steel, looks like chrome. The sending unit, the straps, the lines, all that's been replaced. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but underneath this car is all redone with lots of upgrades. Now, I bought this from a guy. He bought it from a dealer, and then I have a folder full of receipts. He spent thousands of dollars getting this car dialed in. It's fully functional, turnkey, ready to drive. It handles, performs, does everything just like it should. And again, it will come with the build sheet, the original owner's manual, and a stack of receipts as well. So let's check out the body. It was born code 75 upper and lower, which means cranberry red without a vinyl top. This roof is absolutely like glass. It's laser straight. There's no issues here. All of this is fantastic. SS stripes are painted on properly and you don't even feel them. There's no bubbles, no damage. It all fits real nice. This is absolutely straight and smooth right down to the bottom. This is clean. Yep, the door fits real nicely. I'm not seeing anything wrong with it. There's a hairline crack in the paint. It looks like a fingernail. No bubbles. It's all metal. This is all real nice. It was born with a cowl induction hood, which it still has. This is all real nice. The hood sticks up a little bit in the back corners. Sometimes that means the hinges might need to be either greased or replaced, but it's not bad. But everything is straight. I mean really straight. And this red paint is like glass on here. This is all beautiful. This side's just as good as the other side. It's all mint right down to the bottom. Yeah, this is fantastic. All real nice. So the paint's incredible. Stainless trim is straight and shiny. I'm sure it's all been replaced. The mirrors, the door handles are replaced. Tires and wheels are recent. The fellow I bought it from just put those on. They're chrome Cragar wheels, 15-inch with BF Goodrich tires. They just sparkle. And I like their Cragar SS's. It kind of goes with the SS car. New emblem. The bumper's real nice and shiny. Tail lights, rubber pad, all that's very good. Back window, original, good shape. Not new, but good. Wheel well moldings. And the window seals look like they've been replaced. Windshield's been replaced. Got the hood pins, front bumper, very good. Looks like it has some different special headlights in there. So let's open it up. I'll show you inside the car. All right, let's see what we have in here. Well, we do have a spare. It's a rally wheel. It's bolted down properly. The jack is in a bag underneath the spare. Got a cover, or a mat. Real nice clean trunk floor. All spatter painted nicely. There's an amplifier. The battery is relocated to the trunk. And there's a disconnect switch. You can kill the power to the car. Underneath the trunk lid in the Jam are painted slick and smooth, and the latch is clean. The weather strip and decals were replaced. So a very nice, complete, and clean trunk compartment. Door jambs are painted real nice. The bottom of the doors are clean. The weather strips are replaced. You can see it's a new door panel, fits nice and straight, new armrest. Look at all the chrome switches. It has power windows and power locks, and they are functioning very well. The whole dash area is restored, new dash pad. They're Dakota Digital gauges. In the this is the SS dash with the round pods. Also has vintage air, so it has the upgraded controls. Upgraded stereo, factory rear defrost switch. Looks like the vents were replaced. And then down on the floor is nice carpet with SS floor mats. The center console looks new, and it even has the overdrive shift indicator, has the horseshoe shifter. Seats are reupholstered. Plastics replaced, back seats reupholstered, the plastic armrests are new, the back door panels are new, all the trim around the back window, everything's really nice. Headliner looks new and it actually fits real nice, it's not wrinkled. Has the visors, has new mirror. We kind of skipped over, it has a tilt deluxe steering wheel as well. So inside the car is very nice. Now each car does go through the shop for inspection before it's delivered, but this fellow did really stress to me how he went through and got this car dialed in, like the windows and a whole bunch of things that weren't working that do work properly now. So this is a motor purchased from over the counter from GM. I checked the casting number. They're claiming it is the 450 horsepower crate motor. They're also claiming it was recently rebuilt, balanced. It does have the Chevy bow tie intake. It looks like it's some sort of coating, ceramic coated or powder coated. Okay, and it's got the big square port heads too. I can see the little casting. You won't see if there's a little casting mark there that tells me it's the big heads. So that would make it comparable to the LS6. So anyway, big Edelbrock, no, that's a Holley carburetor, dual feed Holley carb under there. It's got an HEI MSD ignition system. The distributor cap is clear. That's cool. You'll actually see it sparking once the car is running. You got some nice valve covers with the matching breather and matching plug wire holders. It has a set of headers. They replaced the firewall. It's all a smooth, flat firewall now because they've got the modern AC and heat. So you got chrome compressor, chrome brackets. It's a polished water pump, alternator. The whole front of the motor has a lot of chrome. Also has the modern power steering with this remote billet reservoir. Upgraded CPP power brake system. Also has a vacuum pump right here because of the wild cam that's in there. You need a little more vacuum. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Polished overflow bottle. And then everything's just painted real nice. Actually, the inner fenders, the core support, the hinges, those have all been powder coated. So it's a show quality motor compartment. Everything looks real nice and proper the way it should. And it's got some muscle. You know, this is it right here. This is the bomb diggity dog. This is a red 70 Chevelle LS6 motor, all these upgrades loaded with options, vintage air, show quality, dialed in, rust free. I mean, all the things that you look for. If you sat down and made a list, this is what I want to find in my next car. It's all sitting right here. So I'm sure you can go find another one that's a little less money, but this is the car. Go to volocars.com. I gave you my impression. Salesmen can help answer your questions. They can help get this delivered to your door. They can help you finance it as well at volocars.com. Hope you're enjoying the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. Click on the bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.